Hello, and welcome to the channel The BI Nerd. In this 1-minute Power BI video, we will learn to insert image to the Power BI canvas. Click on the image icon from the top ribbon. Insert File window will pop up. Select the image you want to insert. Then click Open. Your image is now inserted. To format the image, go to the Format Your Visual section. You can change the scaling of the visual. You can dedicate an action to this image. I will dedicate Page Navigation Action and will select Page 1 as destination. You can press Ctrl on your keyboard and click on the image. This will take you to the second page. Thank you. Please subscribe to the channel and get regular updates.